Welcome back to Jestina's kitchen. I welcome you back again. I hope you're all doing great out there. Today I'm going to bring you a very special and popular dish which is called palm oil stew, all the way from Gambia. I'm going to use fish, 3 different types of fish. Here I have Black Poppret, 1 whole. I've divided into 2, and here we have Bonga. And I've already washed the fish very clean and then seasoned them with lemon and salt. This is smoked catfish. And here we have Surrel. We have pumpkin, onions, cassava, sweet potato, carrot, a little bit of garlic, very ripe tomatoes, red onions, dried salted fish, chili pepper, and here I'm going to use pepper mix. So without wasting any time, let's get started. I have oil of palm oil, but why I'm using oil is I want to fry the fish. We're going to use the palm oil to do the gravy. I have here basilica, so it gives it a very beautiful flavor and aroma. So stay tuned and watch the video up to the end. Don't go away. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share. If you like what I'm doing, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. So stay tuned. I'm now going to fry the catfish, but be very careful. Whilst frying the catfish, you have to cover the pot, or else it can pop up to your face and burn you. So be very careful with that. Just for 1 to 2 minutes, and then we take it out. I'm almost done with the frying of the catfish, as you can see. We're now moving on to the next stage. Wow, look how beautiful they look. Transfer the garlic into the blender, and then my pepper. Finally blend the pepper and the garlic together by adding a little bit of water. Make sure there is no water in the pot before adding in the palm oil. 1.5 cups of palm oil. And I'm going to add in the onions. As you can see, the pot is so wide that everything would fit without scattering. That's what I want. I don't want my fish and everything to get scattered before we start eating. I don't like that. Perfectly. Okay, so I'm going to add in the blended tomato. One tablespoon, 2 tablespoons. After frying the gravy for 5 minutes, as you can see, there is no more water left. I'm going to add in more water. Water. I'm going to cook the onions properly, so later on we don't need to add in too much of water. It's just little water that will cook the fish. Guys, if you think that you like what I'm doing, don't forget to give me thumbs up. I'm now going to add in water, 4 cups of water. That will be enough to cook the vegetables and the fish. To cover the pot halfway until the cassava and the carrot is half cooked. for sizzling. It tastes so good in palm oil. Habanero pepper, just one, we don't need so much spicy here. I forgot to buy eggplants, but I had one in the freezer. I'm gonna add it in, and then I add in the salted fish together with the Surrel. Add in the pumpkin. The sweet potato cooks very fast, so I'm going to add it in later on. In the basilica, this is going to give it a beautiful taste and flavor. It's gonna take the palm oils to another level, guys. The flavor, the aroma, and all that, I just can't explain. You have to try it for yourself. Everything will fit in perfect. Cover it halfway. As you can see, it's just a little bit of water left. We don't want any excess water in our palm oil stew. Because I've tasted it and we need just a little bit of salt. That'll be fine. Somewhere here, because just the steam would cook that. Head of